Let's turn this paper menu into a professional digital QR menu in about 2 minutes, and then I'll show you how to link it to a QR code with your restaurant logo. Head over to BrandedQRCode.com. Scroll down and click Create Your Landing Page. Choose Menu Builder. You'll see a few pre-made templates here, but we won't use any of them for now. Click AI Menu Scan. Enter your restaurant or cafe name and select your currency. Now upload clear photos of your existing paper menu. Next, choose whether you want a menu where you can add food photos later or a simple text-only digital menu. Now click Scan Menu. Once it's done, quickly review everything. You can edit any section, item, price, or description, delete anything you don't need, add new items or sections, and rearrange the order of your menu. Once everything looks good, click Use this menu. Now choose the layout you want. The colors and backgrounds you see are only previews. So right now, you're simply choosing the structure of your menu. Click Continue to Builder. Now, let's quickly make it look better. First, I'll upload my logo, then choose a background from the pre-made options, adjust the colors, and change the font. And because we chose a layout that uses photos, we can now add food photos to the menu from here. Once you're happy with everything, click Save Page and give your menu a name. Your digital menu is now live, and this is where you can find the link to share directly with customers. To link it to a QR code, click Link to QR. Now click Design Assistant and upload your restaurant logo. Click Apply, and the assistant will generate different QR code styles for you. Choose the style you like, and you can customize the QR code further if you want. The QR code is already linked to the digital menu we just created. So once you're happy with the design, simply click Download. Now let's scan it. And there we go! Our paper menu is now a professional digital QR menu.